So one of the palms that we grow here in our Central Texas gardens are Canary Island Date Palms. So these are two really nice species or specimens. Both of these are Canary Island Date Palms, grown from seed right here in Central Texas. These do particularly well in our environment. They love the heat of our hot summers, and they will put up with our cold winters, although the younger ones can suffer a little bit. In fact, I'll show you right back here behind it. You can see that there is a stump there from a Canary Island Date Palm that did not survive our past winter. So one of these will probably go in there and ultimately replace it. But we do grow a lot of these here. They're particularly good cold hardy palms for our 8B/9A growing zone. So if you're thinking about a good palm for Central Texas, check out the Canary Island Date Palms. Good choice. And get in touch with me if you are looking for some of these. All right, bye.